What's up everyone, welcome to another video, and I need to get a quick update in about cryptocurrencies. These things are really having a strong day today. I mean, you can see the percentage gains on these things. Bitcoin's up 2%, Ethereum's over 3%. Litecoin just started ripping, let's check that out. It's actually on the screen right here. These are 1 minute candles. This thing is taking off right now. You can see it here. And the first cryptocurrency to really take off was Dogecoin several days ago. Let's check out the 4-hour candles. Yeah, this thing started taking off 25th of October, actually. Wow. This thing's well over 100% of a gain on this rally. And that's possibly the reason why Dogecoin's having a little sell-off while the rest of them are rallying right now. It already had its rally. These are all big moves, man. Matic's up over 18%, 6% on Chainlink, 6% on Compound. I don't especially trade Bitcoin Cash, but this thing has had an interesting amount of volume, huge volume spike that has lasted since the Dogecoin rally started around the 25th of October. So this is really interesting. This is a ton of volume, man. You've never seen this in the past on Bitcoin Cash. And let's flip over to Bitcoin to get the technical outlook, see some technical levels, because when Bitcoin and Ethereum are ripping, then I consider that a healthy rally if all the other altcoins are ripping at the same time. So let's see what it's looking like. Here you can see this big green candle right here on the daily candles for Bitcoin, and that's when the Dogecoin rally started. We're having another strong green day today, both Bitcoin and Ethereum, so this thing could continue. We got to get above the previous highs made after the initial pop on the 25th. But this here could kind of look like a bull flag, so we might get a continuation to the upside. And this little pop looks especially good because this rally coincides with a move above this Fibonacci level, this level right here that I'm highlighting, the green trend line that goes across the whole screen. This is a long-term fib level. It's a strong support and resistance level. So any move above it will be slightly bullish, at least for the short term right now. And that move to the upside also coincides with the price moving above this downward trending resistance here. The price jumped above that on the same rally, jumped above the fib level and this short-term downward trending resistance. So this is looking pretty bullish on the short term, definitely. Now, if this bullishness continues, I'm mapping out the resistance levels on the way up to watch out for. Now, on the way up, of course, we got that previous high from the initial pop during this little rally here, right around $21,000. We got to get above 21,000 for this bullishness to be confirmed. For that bull flag I mentioned to get a little breakout to the upside. But above that, we have some resistance at the $21,750 price point. We got another resistance above that, right around the $22,500. And we've got another short-term resistance around the $2,400 price point. 24,000, I should say. Now, all these yellow resistance, these are short-term resistances, but I mean, crypto's in a bear market, so you got to watch all these resistance. The next Fibonacci level is way up here, man. It's at like 29,600. I don't think crypto's going to get that high just yet. It could, but it might take a while. And when we flip over to Ethereum, it's looking a lot like Bitcoin. A lot of these cryptocurrencies will travel together. Their charts look very similar sometimes. And you can see this thing got a pop just like Bitcoin, Dogecoin around the 25th, right around here, 25th of October. Now these are 4-hour candles, but looks like we have some sort of an opening wedge pattern here. And this is a very short-term wedge pattern, but price is looking bullish right now. We're getting near this resistance, very short-term resistance of this opening wedge. So watch to see what happens. If crypto stays bullish, we'll get a breakout there. Might see a lot of the altcoins rallying at the same time if Bitcoin and Ethereum are rallying. That's a true healthy crypto rally there. And the only resistances to watch on the way up for Ethereum are right around the 1661 price point and the 1796 price point. Those are the most important short-term ones. Those are the nearest resistance levels to watch for now. And other than that, some of these crypto names, I don't think any of them are red on my watch list. Only these few you can see right here. So crypto is going through a really broad rally. And I should mention, be careful if you plan on jumping into these 20% gainers like Matic right here, Litecoin's ripping. You got to think of it like Dogecoin. It had a huge rip, but right now it's kind of selling while everything else is ripping because it had so much strength already. People are taking profit off that and rotating into other cryptocurrencies possibly. So be careful if these things have ripped a little too much. You might want to wait for a dip, wait for the investors to take a little profit before you jump in. Or if it keeps ripping, what the hell, man? Everybody FOMO sometime, right? And that's basically it for this cryptocurrency update. As always, if you like what you heard, anything at all, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, anything if you like. Questions, comments, concerns, critiques. And other than that, I will see y'all on the next video.